says things are always more expensive. Politics, of course, my professional politics. Have I had experience of this? Actually, no, really. I'm talking about news.
No building experience, but I think I just feel a deep down instinct that it's okay. I mean, I just think.
Well, you're challenges, aren't you?